Welcome! If you've ever wanted to save all the stickers from a Telegram channel right onto your PC, this video is for you. With the latest Telegram update, exporting stickers from a channel has never been easier. Let's walk through the step-by-step process so you can keep your favorite sticker collection safe and accessible. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version, as this feature is only available there. Once you're in, navigate to the channel that contains the stickers you want to export. You'll find all your channels listed on the left side of the screen. Click on the name of the channel to open its contact info. This will bring up a panel with details about the channel, including its members, media, and more. Look for the three dots in the upper right corner of this panel. This is your menu for additional options. Click on the three dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Export Chat History. This powerful tool lets you export messages, media, and, most importantly, stickers from the channel. A new window will pop up with a list of export options. Here, you'll see checkboxes for different types of content. Make sure to check the box labeled Stickers. You can also customize other settings like the date range or the location where you want the files to be saved on your PC. Once you've selected stickers and adjusted any other preferences, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will now gather all the stickers from the channel and save them to your chosen folder. Depending on the size of the sticker collection, this process might take a few moments. When the export is complete, open the folder you selected. Inside, you'll find all the stickers neatly organized and ready to use. You can view them, share them, or back them up as you like. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've exported all stickers from a Telegram channel on your PC. Try it out and enjoy having your favorite stickers at your fingertips.